Hello everyone, I hope you will be fine. Today we are creating this slide in Adobe After Effects. So let's get started. Create a new composition. Add the name of the document. Preset is HDTV 1080 24 frames. Width is 1920 and height is 1080 pixels. Duration is 10 seconds and color is black. Click OK. Composition is created. Now we have to import an image. Double click in the project window and select any image. Click on import. Drag the image in timeline and adjust its size by holding from its corner. Hold the shift to keep the ratio proportional. You can adjust the image by hold and drag it like this. Select the type tool to type any text. Select the move tool and go to align panel and set it horizontally aligned. To duplicate the layer, I will use Ctrl+D shortcut. Move down the text with text arrow. Decrease the size of the text from the character panel. I am changing the text style to semi-bold. Now type another text. You can type any text which is related to your slide. Adjust it in the center. Select the lower text, press Ctrl+X to cut it. Select the type tool again and then paste it in the center. Go to align panel and adjust them horizontally in the center. Select both the layers. I have to bring it down, so I am using the arrow keys. Bring it down a little bit. Move the main text a little bit down. Now it's perfect. We will apply the animation on the text. Select the main text layer. Press T from the keyboard. I will apply the position property as well, so hold the shift and then press P. The position property will be open. I am moving the layer on the top. Simply hold and drag it to the top. Going to hide the both bottom text layers by clicking on the eyeball. I want the text firstly should be in the middle and then go to the top. So I am placing it in the center first. Add a keyframe here on 0 second by clicking on the stopwatch icon. Move the slider to 1 second and then move the text to the top like this. Keyframe will be added automatically here. Press the space bar to play the animation and check it. Now select both keyframes and right click on any one and select the Easy Ease option. Go to the graph editor and move the second slider like this. What the graph will do, firstly it will move fast and then stop with slow motion. Go back our animation. Move the slider to 1 second and click on the stopwatch icon of the opacity. Here the opacity is 100. Move the slider to 0 second and turn the opacity to 0. Check the animation, it is looking cool. Unhide both of the bottom layers and apply the same animation on it. Select both the layers, press P for position and hold the shift and then press T for the opacity. I want the second text should be appear after the main heading. Move the slider at 1 second and 4 to 5 frames forward. Hold and move it down a little bit. Go to 2 seconds and then move the text up. Select the keyframes and Easy Ease them. Go to the graph editor. If your graph is not like this, left click on this icon and select the Edit Speed graph. Move the second keyframe like this. Go to back by clicking on the graph icon again. Apply the opacity. On the first keyframe it will be 0 and on the second keyframe it will be 100%. check out the final result. I hope you will like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.